Best Counter Bar Stools. Consider factors like durability, ease of cleaning, and design compatibility with your decor. Whether you prefer a modern, rustic, or classic look, there's a stool to match your taste. A well-chosen bar stool not only complements your space, but also elevates the overall experience. This guide will help you make an informed choice, ensuring your space looks great and feels welcoming. List number: Signature design by Ashley Vailbeck, Rustic Farmhouse 24.5. Experience rustic charm with the signature design by Ashley Vailbeck Rustic Farmhouse Bar Stool. This stool features a warm brown finish that adds a cozy feel to any space. Its swivel design ensures easy movement and comfort during use. Built at a counter height of 24.5 inches, it fits perfectly at kitchen counters or home bars. The sturdy construction promises durability, while the rustic style enhances your decor. A perfect blend of function and farmhouse flair. Advantages: crafted with rustic farmhouse charm, this stool enhances any space. The 24.5-inch height fits perfectly at counters, offering comfortable seating. Its swivel feature allows easy movement, ideal for socializing. Durable construction ensures long-lasting use, even in busy homes. Brown finish complements a variety of decor styles seamlessly. List number: Sweet Crispy Counter Height Bar Stools, set of 4. Elevate your kitchen decor with Sweet Crispy stylish bar stools. These stools come in a set of 4, perfect for gatherings. The modern design features faux leather seats for comfort and easy cleaning. Each stool has a 26-inch seat height, ideal for countertops. Strong metal legs offer durability and stability. Warm brown color adds a cozy touch to any space. Advantages: enhance room style with sleek, modern design bar stools. Faux leather adds a touch of elegance. Comfortably sit for hours with supportive backrests. Ideal for long chats. Durable metal legs ensure stability. Built to last for years. Perfect height for kitchen islands. Seamlessly fits most countertops. Easy to clean and maintain. Faux leather resists spills. List number: ITST Bar Stool, Counter Height Bar Stools. Elevate your kitchen with the ITST Bar Stool. Its sleek black design fits modern and classic spaces. The synthetic leather with stitching offers durability and style. Perfect for kitchen islands, family restaurants, or dining rooms. At 26 inches high, it suits counter heights comfortably. Ideal for a farmhouse vibe or a chic urban look. Advantages: elevate your space with modern and stylish design. The ITST Bar Stool adds a contemporary touch to any room. Synthetic leather is easy to clean and maintain, perfect for busy kitchens or dining areas. Enjoy comfort with the 26-inch height, ideal for counters. Great for family meals or casual gatherings. Versatile usage, fits kitchens, restaurants, and dining rooms effortlessly. A seamless blend into any setting. Durable construction ensures long-lasting use. Reliable seating for everyday needs. List number: Amazon Basics 24-inch Counter Stool. Solid wood saddle seat. Elevate your kitchen decor with Amazon Basics 24-inch Counter Stool. Crafted from solid wood for durability. The sleek black finish adds a touch of elegance to any space. Saddle seat design offers comfort for long chats. Perfect for kitchen islands or bar areas. Set of 2 ensures seating for you and a friend. Advantages: elegant design enhances any kitchen or dining area instantly. Solid wood construction ensures long-lasting durability and stability. Saddle seat offers comfortable seating for extended periods. Compact size fits easily under counters, saving space efficiently. Easy assembly makes setup quick and stress-free. List number: Signature design by Ashley Katebrook Rustic 24.63-inch counter. Bring charm to your space with the Katebrook Rustic Bar Stool set. Each bar stool is designed with a gray upholstered seat, offering comfort and style. Its rustic look adds a cozy touch to any room. Crafted with quality materials for durability. Perfect for enhancing your counter height seating area. Advantages: enhance your decor with rustic charm and modern appeal. Comfortable seating with plush upholstered cushions ensures relaxation. Durable construction provides long-lasting use and reliability. Versatile design suits various spaces and interior styles effortlessly. easy assembly makes setup quick and stress-free.